Hey everybody, welcome back to Quick with the Edits. My name is John Henderson. Today we are going to be starting a basic series on going through a project from start to finish so you guys can see what all goes into editing a project, from importing your first clip to exporting the entire sequence. So let's go ahead and get started. Quick disclaimer, this is for Adobe Premiere Pro CC. I will be doing other videos as well on free editing software and some other software as well, but for now we're going to start with Adobe CC. So when you open up Premiere Pro for the first time, this is what you'll see. Now as you can see right here where it says recent, I've got a lot of recent work that I've been doing, but over here on the left you'll see new project and open project. Now if you're brand new and this is the first time you're opening this program, you won't have any Adobe projects most likely. So you're going to want to obviously hit New Project. And that will bring you to this screen. As I've talked about in some of my past videos, it is very important to stay organized when you are creating a project. So you're not going to want to name it something like 123 or something weird like that. You're going to want to have your project ready to go and organized. And I'll put a link in the description for the video of how I organize my projects if you guys want to do it like me. Okay, so once you give this a name, you're going to want to select a location where you want all this stuff to save to. Now again, if you've watched my other videos, we have our project laid out really super simple. So you're going to obviously put the project file in the project folder, right? That makes sense. So you'll click OK, and as you can see right here, it says that it's going into the project folder. Now when it comes to video playback and rendering, it's your choice whether you want to use your GPU or your CPU. CPU is going to be a lot slower. GPU is going to be typically faster depending on what specs you have in your PC. You can pretty much leave the video, audio, and capture formats the same. It's going to default to timecode, audio samples, and HDV, which is perfectly fine. And once you have your project name and you have set where it's going, you can click OK. And then you're hit with this screen, which can be very overwhelming, but we are going to go over what all these panels are, and we're going to talk about the best way to set up your Adobe for the most efficient workflow. So make sure to tune in to episode 2 where we talk about panels.